Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Notion with Notion Calendar. This integration allows you to bring your Notion database items, like project deadlines and tasks, directly into your Notion calendar. You'll learn how to view all your important dates in one place, creating a unified system for managing both your professional and personal commitments. This helps you stay organized and focused on what truly matters. Before connecting, prepare your Notion database. First, ensure your database has a date property, which is crucial for calendar synchronization. Populate this property with accurate dates for tasks, events, or project milestones. Consider adding properties like status or priority to enrich your calendar view. A well-structured database with clear date entries forms the foundation for a successful integration. Now, let's link your Notion database to the Notion Calendar application. Open Notion Calendar and sign in using your Notion account. You can then connect your Notion workspaces, allowing you to select specific databases for integration. Choose the databases containing the date-based items you wish to see. Once connected, your Notion tasks and events will appear alongside your other calendar entries, offering a comprehensive overview. To maximize your integrated workflow, leverage Notion Calendar's features. You can drag and drop Notion database items to update their dates directly within the calendar. Access full context for any meeting or task by clicking on the item, which links back to your Notion page. Remember, Notion Calendar also syncs with Google and Apple calendars, providing a holistic view of all your commitments in one powerful application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.